It's Sino Silk's channel. Today let me tell you how to wash silk pillowcase by hand. Check if it allows hand wash, and check the do's and don'ts on the label. If any breakage, repair it first. Make a simple test to ensure the silk fabric won't ruined by color bleed. Dab clean water at an unnoticeable corner with white swab. Check if the dye fades. Silk pillowcases may be left with some spots of oil, sweat, and skin products. You can pre-wash them by directly dabbing some silk stain remover and make them retain on the dirty area for about 10 minutes. Remember to treat them like newborn babies. Gentle, 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 please. Find a sink or washable to disperse a little detergent into cold water. Limit the temperature to be under 86 Fahrenheit. Turn your pillowcase inside out. Then submerge it into the soapy water. Agitate it with a gentle touch. Repeat rinsing your pillowcase in clean water. You can drain the used water and refill the washable with clean water several times. Do not wring out the water or twist the fabric. It really hurts your pillowcase. Lay flat a towel and place your pillowcase on it. Roll the towel and apply pressure to absorb more water.